I'm good.
We'll go ahead with geometry. Manya,
Wait,
yeah, go ahead. Hi, Chetan, nice to see you. Manya, your school has not started, right?
starting back tomorrow.
Okay, Akshita, I missed you last week. Nice to see you back. I hope you're feeling better. Shrikar, I'm not able to see you. Okay, coming to the homework, right, guys? How was the homework? Did you have any questions on that?
Um,
That's, uh-huh.
did you, I don't remember you teaching this to us, but did you teach us how to rotate with a different point that's not the origin?
That's what I had problem on too.
Yeah, me too.
Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
also last class I wasn't here, so like I don't really know how to do this because I wasn't here last class. So is there like any recording you can send for the next class, for last class?
Yeah, ma. Okay. You have to search by date, ma, but I directly put it in YouTube these days. I can send you the channel link. You get it, huh? You have to go by the date. Can you check it and let me know whether you found it?
Okay.
Can I send you the link?
Yeah.
Okay, one by one, I'll settle the problems. Seems like you have a lot of problems. Let me see. Aditi, first I'm sending you the link. Or I'll send it to everybody. You can make a note of it. Okay, I'll send it to everyone so that you can make a note of it. This is where it gets published. Okay, you have to search by date and content because I'm not able to customize the title of the video. Video is based on the date and time. Okay, and now rotation about a point that is not the origin. Where were questions? Did I give you homework on that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. 1 minute, let me check. How did I miss? I didn't teach you. I know that. Okay, hold on. Rotation around a point that is not the origin. Hold on, guys. I'm checking. Chetan, what are they teaching in school, Chetan, for you?
We're having our test over, like our unit test. We're having a unit test over if statements, angle
Uh,
relation. So like they give you a random figure, like it kind of looks like an X, but with other lines coming from it, and it's like they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like there are 5 angles, and they give you a measure of some of them, and you have to find all of them. So we have our test over that, and if statements. Sorry, what am I saying? Not if statements. Conditional statements
I see.
on Monday.
Oh, conditions. Okay. So, okay, you're good
Like
with it? Mm.
converse, inverse, and contrapositive.
Yeah. But did you attend a class here on that?
I don't remember. I don't know. I think last class we did rotational symmetry. I don't think I did that.
Okay. But did we not do during the summer? Yeah, we did, right? Manya, can you educate me? We did during the summer biconditionals and all, right?
Yeah, we went over it in the summer.
Chetan, were you not in that class maybe? Can that be?
Maybe. I missed a couple of classes over the summer. Maybe.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay, so rotation around a point that is not the origin is your problems. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. I'm glad you all brought it up. Okay, I'll go through that first. As if we miss anything, just keep me posted like this. Okay. Last week we started congruence, right, guys? But I'm not going to continue congruence. So let's go over transformations related to rotations. Usually we take the center of rotation as the origin, right? But we can rotate any object around a point that is not the origin. So let's discuss that. Rotation about a point that's not the origin. How are we going to do this? Let's quickly do that. It's not a hard one, okay? Now, I want, okay. First, I want you to know how rotation works. When you think about how rotation works, you will construct a 90-degree or a 180-degree or a 270-degree angle. I want you to understand how rotation works basically. So let's consider you are having some object, a triangle, okay? What you do, let's call a triangle. Let me call the triangle vertices are at 1, 2, 3, 2, and then you have 3, 4. The vertices of the triangle are 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3, 4. Chetan, are you noting down? Now, I want to rotate this about 90. 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3, 4, A, B, C. I want to rotate this 90 degrees about 90 degree clockwise about origin, let's say. I want to rotate it clockwise 90 degree about the origin. How do I do it? From origin, I draw a line to vertex A. Now, with that line as the base, I have to rotate 90 degree clockwise, means on the clockwise direction, I'll try to draw a 90 degree angle. This is the geometric way of doing it. I will do a 90 degree angle, and on that line, I'll measure the distance OA. Now, origin is my center first, okay? So, that OA measurement, I'll copy it in here. So, that will be my A dash. Now, again, what I do, I take the B point, draw a line from O to B. Now, I again draw a 90 degree angle to OB in a clockwise direction. This should be 90 degrees. Now, once I draw that, I find the measure of this distance and replicate it in here. Guys, are you all with me? You're with me? Okay. Now, so I replicated that in here. That is my B dash. Right? So the top point was my A dash. Now, okay, now A dash I drew. Then I'm rotating about the origin, correct? So now A dash I drew, B dash I drew, okay. And then what should I do? I will draw the line from O to C, which is in between, right? So I will draw this line, 90 degree line. Okay, in a clockwise direction from OC, I have to mark C dash, right? So I will measure this distance OC and I will replicate that distance in here. Let's say this distance was that. Now I'll try to merge A dash, B dash, and C. A dash, B dash, and C dash. So basically, what would I get? I would get something like this. A dash, B dash, and C. I'd get something like this. Does it make sense? This is how I rotate around the origin. Now, slowly we need to learn without using that 90 degree rotation, 90 degree angle and all. You cannot sit and draw, right? You should be able to do it algebraically quickly, right? So let's try what is that. What does that entail? Let's say we'll take a problem. We'll do without the origin as a center of rotation. If it's not the center of rotation, the same thing applies. But from the point of rotation, you have to draw the line. Okay, so let's see this one. How about Okay, how about we'll have one example from our assignment itself. I have a point P of minus 1, comma 2. I have a point. Chetan, are you able to follow?
Yeah.
The point P of minus 1, comma 2 is the center of rotation now. Now it's no longer my origin, but the the center of rotation is minus 1, comma 2. Okay. Now, there is a triangle with vertices 1, comma 2, 1, comma 5. There is a triangle with vertices 1, comma 2, 1, comma 5. And then the third point is 3, comma 2. So first let's draw this triangle in the paper or in a grid. Let's find out these vertex point properly plotted first. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to plot it for you. So now, let's see this one. Minus 1, comma 2. This is my point of a center of rotation. From this point only, I'm going to rotate. This point is my pivot. Okay, 1, comma 2A. Okay, B is 1, comma 5. Guys, I forgot about talk to you. There is a test in geometry. Okay, for the last part of the class. This is our end of session 1. I didn't want to advertise about a test for every session. When the session 1 ends, there is a small test. When the session 2 ends, there is a small test. When the session 3 ends, there is a small test. It is not to intimidate you, make you prepare and do. It is just for me to understand what are the areas of improvement, which areas did you not clearly understand. So, shall we go ahead with the test for the last part of the class today? Whatever you attend, let it be 10 questions right out of a 25. Doesn't matter. I just want to understand what are the areas where we need another review. Does it make sense, Aditi? Okay. Does it make sense, Keyura?
Wait,
Yeah.
Auntie, so when is the test?
Today, the end of the class. Whatever you attempt. It's not like it's not
Wait, do we do the
intimidate
test
you.
during class or after class?
Towards the end of the class, I'll give you some time in the class itself, but I would like you to finish and then go.
Oh, because I have to leave at 8:10.
You have to leave at 8:10. Okay. Can you do it tonight then or tomorrow?
I can try tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay, I'll talk to your mom and dad. The others, how about the others?
What if I don't finish in class?
Amma, it is good for you only if it is timed, right?
Yeah.
Like, when are we planning to start? Like 7:45 or what? Like around what time?
What do you mean by you
Like
want to
around what
finish
time
and
are we
go?
gonna start?
Oh, I see. You want to finish and go, huh?
No, I'm just asking what time are we gonna start to see if I can.
I really don't mind giving it off right now. Maybe we'll finish this at least one thing we learn and then I'll give it to you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Will
Maybe
the
eight.
result?
Huh?
Will the results like be shared? Like which ones we got?
100%, ma. 100%.
Okay.
With the answers, what you missed, everything I'll share and I'll also give a feedback as much as I know what you know.
Okay.
Okay, does it make sense?
Mhm.
Yeah, you don't have to specially prepare. That's why I don't want to profess, hey, we have a test. You don't need to. Okay, whatever you know, just attempt. And wherever the areas of improvement, we'll go over it if it is a common area.
Mhm.
Okay, so can I move on now? Let's finish this. I forgot to tell you because algebra 2, as soon as they came in, they asked, I discussed with them, I forgot here. Okay, so now the vertex A is 1 comma. What did I do? The vertex A is, yeah, 1 comma 2. Sorry guys, we should not leave it halfway. 1 comma 2. Vertex B is 1 comma 5. C is 3 comma 2. Chetan, for you, I'm not still sure, but hold on, we'll see. C is 3 comma 2. Okay, so that is a triangle for me. Now I'll have to rotate this 90 degrees clockwise about P. That is my target. I'm going to rotate this. Prisha, I hope you're Prisha. Yes, you went on vacation, right? How was New Hampshire?
Yeah, it was fun.
Good. Okay. So did you see the colors?
Yeah, we saw the colors.
Nice. I live in New Hampshire, you know.
Oh, wow. Neat.
It's very wonderful, right? The color changes.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Yes. Okay. Akshita, are you feeling better, Akshita, from last week? Okay,
Yeah,
now
I had
let's.
ear pain and fever last week. Like the fever is better, but then like I still have like mild ear pain. Like yeah,
Oh my
I'm
gosh, I'm
feeling better.
sorry. Oh, feeling better. Okay, I'm sorry. I hope you feel better soon. Now the point of rotation is point P, which is minus 1 comma 2. So how to do this, guys? You know what? Algebraically, I said, right? Perfectly, but geometrically, what you should do? You have to draw a line from here to A, and then you have to draw a 90-degree angle, and then on that line, whatever be this distance, you'll plot it on that line, correct? That is what geometrically you'll do. From the point of rotation, you draw to A, you draw to B, you draw to C, and then replicate the distance OA, OB, OC on a line that's 90 degree to OA, on a line that's 90 degree to OB, on a line that's 90 degree to OC. That is geometrically doing. But if you want to do it algebraically, right, the best way to do this is 90-degree clockwise, right? So from the point of rotation, how much is this distance? From the point of rotation, this is a 90-degree angle. So basically what I would do here, you see, this is 2 units away. So here, go down 2 units. So the point A dash comes here. Now let's find out, let's see this one. If you go horizontally, you have to go vertically. The opposite you would do. Okay. Similarly, let's find out about the B point. You go 2 units to your right, and you go up 1, 2, 3. Up 3. That's how it goes, right? And then towards your right, you move 2 units, correct? So what I should do for locating the B point? What you think I should do for locating the B point? Basically, the B point should be somewhere here, right? Because that's a 90-degree angle. What will I do to locate my B point? The original point was 1 comma 5, right? So what do? You will go 2 units down, 3 units to your right. So you went up, right? You went up 3 units. You went to the right 2 units, right? From that P point, that's what you did. You went 2 units to your right, and then you went up 3 units. Now you have to change that basically. What you should do, you have to go down 2 units, and then you have to go to your right 3 units. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, 1 second. Okay, so for the point B, okay, let me draw it in a different color. So here for point B, you went 2 units like this, right? So now you have to go down literally 2 units, and then to go down 2 units. See, this was to your right. So you go down 2 units, that's the 90-degree, and then you have to go to the left. To go to the you have to go to the See, now you are going like this, right? You go the opposite way, meaning, and then up became down. This side is 1, 2, 3. This will be your point B dash. Now for C dash, what happens? Which is the point C? This is C, right? C was what? I'll do it once and then show you. 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. That was on the horizontal axis. So what you do on the vertical axis, you would do 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? So now this would be C dash. Now A dash, B dash, C dash, if you connect, that's the rotated triangle around the point P. Is it making any sense?
Yeah.
Wait, so Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
if it's on the right, then you go down. If it's on the left, you go up then?
Horizontal becomes vertical, vertical becomes horizontal.
Auntie,
Yeah, go ahead.
you know how if it's like a 90-degree clockwise rotation around the origin, it's like xy becomes y negative x. Is there like a formula for that, for like something if it's around a point? Or like, do you just have to...
Okay, if it is 90-degree clockwise, okay, go ahead. Let's discuss that. What are you saying? If it is 90-degree rotation, what happens? Tell
So
me.
if it's a 90-degree clockwise rotation around the origin, then the formula would be xy becomes y negative x, right?
Y
So then
negative.
I'm asking if there's like a thing for if it's not around the origin, like if we take -1, 2, is there like a formula that you could use for that?
See, here as well, that becomes the same, right? Meaning, see, I feel like it is the same in here. Hold on. And then 0 point. Okay, let me see for B. B is easy for me to see. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3 means 2. 2 on the X becomes -2. 2 on the X becomes minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, it becomes, so X becomes minus X on the Y, and then see, that's what we are doing, right? X becomes minus X, Y will be just shifted. Y will be just shifted in the sense, okay, let me consider the B point, 2 and a 3, right? So X becomes 2 and a 3, so X becomes Y. 2, X become, okay, that's correct. Okay, -2, and then Y is 1, 2, 3 points up, right? So that gets directly shifted. Okay, see, to answer your question, right, Samantha, this is the same thing we are following here. X is negated, you see, and becomes the Y. See what happens? Let me see. Let's consider the B point. B point is the easiest to understand because that is where you can understand both the changes. See, 2 units was, there was a +2 change, right?
Yeah.
When we shifted it from another point of rotation, what did we do? We negated and it became a -2 on the Y. So you came here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
-2 on the Y means go down, right? Similarly, this point 5, you shifted it as is, in the sense this Y became our X horizontal motion. 5, 1, 2, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning 5. This point will be 4. Basically, it would have ended in what? Point B dash would have ended in 4, right?
Oh, okay.
You
So
got it
from
down?
that point, you would kind of negate it or like use that same formula. Okay.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
So basically, you use the same process, but from the point of rotation you do.
Okay.
You got it? Okay, let's do another one. So we're all clear. Let's do another one. Akash, I know I'm taking time, but without this, I don't feel like going as well. Okay, let's rotate about a point T1, 1. Let's rotate about a point T1, 1. Okay, I have the triangle to be rotated 90-degree clockwise, and these are the points.
Hello?
Let's see. Yeah, Chetan, I'm here. So the points are P -2, -3, Q 2, -1, R 3, 2. So first draw our original triangle, then mark the point T 1, 1, and from then on we'll see what to do.
For all the points or just point P?
We'll do all the points. We'll do one by one. We'll do first do P. Let's
Okay.
see. I have to draw, then only it'll work.
Yeah.
Let me see, guys. So I'll draw -2, -3. That is my P point. -2, -3. Please, guys, I want you all to draw. If you're stuck only, we are going to merge. Till then, we are not going to discuss. Q is 2, -1. And then R is 3, 2. What is this really? Is my triangle correct? Yeah, triangle seems correct. Yeah, triangle seems correct. Let me see. Triangle seems correct though.
Are we rotating at 90 degrees?
Yeah, mama. Same. 90-degree clockwise. What else? That's all, right? From the point 1, 1. 1, 1 is this point, right? Let me put it into a different color. You're going to do it in your paper, and if you don't know only, we are going to check together. The rotating point is T1, 1. So now, if I want to rotate, first let me rotate P. If I want to rotate P, when I think about this, I go one hop, 2 hop, 3 hops on the horizontal axis. Okay. And then I go down 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So basically I go 4 down and 3 to the left. That's what I did for P, right? Okay. So how do I need to change it? Y value, I will basically negate it because 90-degree clockwise, right? So Y value, I will negate it. Y is, so 3 goes up. 3 goes up and then 4 becomes left. Let's see. So 3 goes up. So from my, so where will be my P point, right? It goes 3 up in the sense I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So I have to go 3 up, 1, 2, 3, right? And then 4 to the left. So I will go to the point 3, 1, 2, 3. So my P dash, what did you all get P dash?
3, 4.
You all got what?
3, 4.
3, 4 or -3, 4?
I got -3.
I mean,
4.
-3,
I got -4, 3.
Yeah, I got -4, 4. Can you check, guys?
I got -4, 3.
Got -3, 4.
Let me check. I'll check.
3, 4, yeah.
-3, 4. Okay. So see, 3 should go up. Basically, 3 should go the opposite way, and then 4 should go to my left. So 4 should go to my I got 3. I got 3. Seema, 4 to the left means from 1, right? So it has to be on a -3. 4 to the left and 3 up means it should point at 4. So basically it's -3, 4. And then for the Q point, let's do the Q point. P dash was -3, 4. Okay, now let's see. This is 1, 1. Okay, now Q point, what happened? This is 1, 1. So basically Q point is 2. Basically I moved 1 hop horizontally and then 2 hops vertically. So what should I do? 1 hop, I should go up. Okay. And then I move 2 hops to the right. What did you all get, guys, for what did you get for Q dash?
-1, 0.
-1. So basically for Q dash, wait guys, for Q dash, I should do, I actually made 1 unit right and then 2 down. So what should I do? For 90-degree clockwise, what was that, Samantha, you said? You let me know.
Yeah, Auntie. So for 90-degree clockwise, it's XY becomes Y negative X.
Yeah, I have it. So Y negative X means what will happen? You have to take the X and then that becomes your Y, negation of that, -2. -2 means, oh my gosh. And then Y becomes that Y itself. So basically, I will go Y becomes as is. Y comes down. So basically, what will I have? Down 1 and then left 2. Down 1. See here, down 1. Y is copied as is. So down 1. Q was 2, -1, right? So Y is copied as is. Okay. So I have to move to the left by 2 units. Move to the left by 2 units. Left by 2 units and then move down by 1 unit. Move to the left by 2 units. Down 1 unit. So where did I land? Yeah, 2, 0. You all got it, huh? Navneet, you got 2, 0, right?
No, I got
-2, 0. Sorry.
I got -1, 0.
-1, 0. Okay. Yeah, since you're moving from 1, right? You're going to move 2 units. -1, 0. That is Q dash. Okay, now we have Q dash. We have P dash, and then what is R dash? I'll wait for you guys to say what is P, Q, and then what was the other point? We had 3 points, right? It's confusing. R is 3, 2, right? R is 3, 2. So what was the new point? R dash was
2 comma minus 1.
Oh, wow, that seems right. 2 comma minus 1, Amma. Correct. Who was that? Who said that?
Renita.
Yep. You all got it now? 2 comma minus 1. Yes, that will be R dash. So I connect P dash, Q dash, R dash. That is my triangle. The black is my rotated triangle. Manya, are you following?
Yeah.
Any questions? Shrikar, did you follow?
How do you? I'm just kind of confused how you got the points. Because
Go
I
ahead.
got P dash right.
Okay.
But
Let's consider R.
yeah, I didn't get R right. R
Okay.
dash.
Why don't we try R? I'll go to Q dash again. 3 comma 2. How did you transfer? Oh, 3 comma 2 is here. 3 comma 2 is here. Okay. So how did I reach 3 comma 2? First, let me put that. So you went up 2 units. 2 units up. And then what did I do? Oh, 2 units up, 2 units to the right, right? So you're going to just change that 2 units down and then 2 units here. So it's going to be 2 comma minus 1. R seems easy, right?
Okay, I see what I did wrong. Yes.
Okay. Any other questions? Manya, did you get ma?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, others, did you all get rotation about the point? Not the origin. How about Aditi, did you get it? See, but what we have not discussed is glide reflection, similarity, similarity transformations, all that we have not discussed, and some symbols related to transformations, all that we have not discussed. I will definitely discuss after congruence. Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I administer the test or what do you want me to do? I don't know what to do. You want me to proceed with congruence or you want me to proceed with the test? Guys, I'll go with your opinions, guys. Huh?
Can we have a review homework where it's like a homework with everything we've learned?
I don't want to do that. I want you to go
Aw.
over the previous assignments. I will go give you a review. I don't mind. Like a study guide, I can give you for the units covered. But at the same time, I don't want to limit myself and say, hey, between these these are the questions within which your a test would come. So do you want to take the test now or next week? That as well, please let me know, guys, because Algebra 2 kids wanted next week. I will go with
Yeah.
whatever you guys say.
I vote for next week.
Next week, huh? Prisha, how about you?
I vote for next week.
Okay. Chetan, I don't know how to give the test to you, but I can talk to your mom at the end of the class as to how to give that test to you.
Yeah, that's
Chetan,
fine.
did you understand how this rotation works?
Yeah, I think so.
Think so? Okay. Now let's move on. Okay, then I'll go with congruence. Akash, you can take it next week. I also feel Akash then.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you some time during the class itself. I'll go ahead with congruence and finish congruence now.
Okay.
Okay. Can we try one more rotation then? 90-degree counterclockwise we'll try. Let's try this one. This time it's 90-degree counterclockwise, not about the origin again. 90-degree counterclockwise. I need to tell you the points, huh? Okay. That is hard, guys. Hold on. Okay. The point of rotation is -3, 1. The point of rotation is -3, 1. Let's mark that point as A. Okay. Now, we have a triangle GEO. Okay. The G point is -2, -2, -3, minus. Okay. The G point is -3, 9. Okay. E point is -7, 7. O point is -7, 1. You can do, I'll do, we can coordinate later. The point of rotation is -3, 1. You will have to draw, then only you can easily get the things done here. So -3, 1 is the point of rotation A. So -7, 7. It's going to be a big graph. You're going to send the points in chat to me, please. Each of you, so I'll know where we are missing. Shreya, are you following, Shreya? This is 90-degree counterclockwise. Shreya, are you following? Shreya,
Yeah.
are you following?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you mind repeating the points?
Yeah, absolutely not a problem. G is -3, 9. E
Okay,
is
wait,
G, G is -3, 9. E is -7, 7. O is -7, 1.
How much? What's the point after G?
E.
Okay, how much is E?
-7, 7. O is -7, 1.
And we have to rotate it around what point?
Rotate around -3, 1.
How many degrees?
90-degree counterclockwise.
Okay.
I think it doesn't make
Auntie.
Mm-hmm.
It looks right on my graph, but I think I did it wrong.
Let's try send in the answers.
Okay.
Minus 11 comma 1 seems right to me. The G dash. Let's do at least 1 point correctly, guys. Let's do at least 1 point correctly. Navneet and Srinita, can you do the third point again?
Yeah, the third point was kind of confusing for me.
I see. Third point seems a little tricky. Minus. Yeah, but I think Navneet got it right. Minus 11 comma 1.
Miss Priya, could you check my answers?
Yeah, yours was right. It feels like to me.
Okay.
Did you get it?
I mean, kind of. Yeah, just the last point was kind of confusing.
No, last point seems correct for you. Kayura, just check the first
Is
point.
my G and O correct?
Yeah, G seems correct, Akash. Actually, O also seems correct.
I'm just confused on E.
Wait, is it just the first point I have to check?
Amma, any one, if you get it correct, I would be happy.
Okay.
I can
So,
see. Oh, you need to check. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I got your question. Hold on. You need to check on the first point, G dash.
so I got the other two right?
Yes, looks
Okay.
like it to me.
I fixed it.
Correct, Kayura. I think you all got it now, right? Chetan, you can shout out, Chetan. Any point, whichever you're comfortable with, you can shout out.
I don't know, Auntie. I wasn't able to do it on my tactile thing. It's kind of weird. Like, I don't know where to like. Auntie?
Yeah, Ma, go ahead.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it on my tactile. Like, how to solve. Like, I know how to plot the points, but I don't know how to like move them, like rotate them around.
Oh, so okay. I'll deal with it at the end of the class, huh? Okay, we'll see. Okay. Okay, guys. So the answers would be minus 11 comma 1. I'm going mad. Minus 11 comma 1, minus 11 comma 1, minus 9, minus 3. And then the last point was minus 3 comma minus 3. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, remember the transformation. Just do that from that point of rotation, that's all. Shreya, I'm not getting answers, so I don't know what you're doing. Prisha, did you get ma?
I kind of get it. I think I just need more practice, but I get the concept.
Okay. Okay. See how it has moved, okay? Then see how it has moved. So basically, let me give you one example. Oh, I erased everything. Okay, I brought back. So now, when you consider the point, I'm taking the point as an example, I'll take the point E, okay? From the A point, it's 4 units to the left and 6 units up, right? So it is like a -4 and a +6, right? -4, comma 6. But anti-clockwise is what happens? It becomes -y, comma x, which is -6, comma -4. Now, from A, you need to move -6 and -4. So you'll go 4 down, which gets you to a -3. And then you'll go -6, which brings you to a -9, basically. -3 -6 is a -9. So your point would be -9, comma -3, E dash point. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
You understand the concept, right? See how the point A is, the original point A is. Take that as X and Y. But as a part of your transformation, what is the rule? So oblige that rule, write out your points. So it'll be -6, -4 transformation. So go left 6, go down 4. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Shreya, what are you doing, ma?
I didn't answer because I was a little bit confused.
What, ma? Shreya, I want you to talk.
I didn't know if it was right or not, so I didn't answer.
No. Did you answer in chat?
No.
Okay, do you know how to do?
Kind of. I kind of get it, but like at the same time, it's
Where
like
are you not getting it? What I'm saying is, let's consider the point -7, comma -7. That point is way up in here. That point is way up in here, right? This is what I marked as G. What is that point? -7, comma +7. From the point of rotation, I see it as a -4 +6 transformation to G. Okay. But per 90-degree counterclockwise rotation, any x comma y will become -y comma x. So what happens here? There is a -4 and a +6. But when you transform it, it becomes -6. The y gets negated and becomes x. And then the x is transformed as is to the y. So it becomes -6 comma -4. So from point A, for the y, I move down 4 units and I go to left by 6 units, which ends up at -9 comma -3. Can I move on?
yeah, I get it.
Ashrita, you didn't answer. Akshita. Oh, you did not get O. Should I help you, Akshita, or we can move on? Akshita.
I need help on.
You need help?
Yeah.
You need help on O?
Yes.
Okay. You need help on O. What is it on O? -7 comma 1, right? Okay, Yura, do you want to go ahead and explain -7 comma 1? What happened?
Okay, so what I did was, O is, wait, let me count. O is
O.
1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 points away from, 3 points to the left from 1 comma minus 1 comma 1.
So the transformation, I can call it as minus 3 comma 0, right, Kayura?
Yeah.
Good.
So what you would do is you do the opposite direction, which is like if you think about moving it counterclockwise, the opposite direction would be going down. So you'd go that many steps down. Wait, is it 4? Yeah, it's actually 4.
So where will you go? 0 comma minus 3. So on the
It's
x-axis,
actually
will
4,
not.
Auntie.
It is actually 4. Why?
Because E and O are on the same x-axis point.
Wait. So basically, no, okay, wait a minute.
Yeah, it's
Minus 7 comma 1, right?
yeah, so it's minus 4 comma 0.
No,
I
right?
accidentally
Minus 3,
I counted wrong and it's actually 4. Cause when you go down, if you go down 3, then it would be on y equals minus 2 when it's supposed to be on y equals
So
minus.
basically it should be 0 comma minus 3, right?
Yeah,
0 comma minus 3. So it has to move to the left by 3 units, right?
it goes to the left by 4 units.
Goes to the left by 3 units, Amma.
Oh, okay.
It goes to the left by 3 units, that's all. So the point would be what?
The point would be 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3.
Minus 3 comma.
Yeah,
Manya,
because
your answer was minus 3 comma minus 3, right, Manya?
Yeah.
Shrikar, how did you get minus 3 comma minus 3?
Wait, I think I did that wrong. Hold on, let me check.
no, Auntie, you see, on E, you went 4 units to the left, right? Well, you would go 4 units to the left on O2 because they're both on minus 7.
See, it was minus 3 comma 0, 3 units to the left, right? So what happens now? It will become minus y comma x. So 0 comma minus 3. So your E point should go down by 3 units. That's all. So your E point should go down by 3. From A, I have to go down 3 units. That's all. From A point, I should go down by 3 units. Manya, did you get minus 3 comma minus 3, Manya, or minus 3 comma 3? Oh, minus 3 comma minus 3. 4 units. Let me check. Kayura, you may be right. What was that? What was that you said?
It's
Minus 7?
minus 4 comma 0 because the
Correct. Minus
yeah.
4 comma 0. So it will be 0 comma minus 4. As a result, the resulting point 0 comma minus 4 is your actual transformation from A. So you come down by 3 points. So the point would be what?
Minus 3 comma
minus 3
3.
comma minus 3. Correct?
Yeah.
Yep.
Sorry, I counted wrong the first time.
No problem, ma. It's okay, ma. Doesn't matter. Any other questions? Can I move on? Okay, otherwise I'll stop here, guys. We'll continue with congruence next week, and then I'll allocate only half of the class for the test because I want to finish congruence next week. Any questions for me? We only completed rotation, not around the origin. That's okay, just for today. Any other questions? You stay, otherwise we can log off. Chetan, let's talk Chetan now. Let me talk to your mom on the test and all. What is your problem with the tactile as well? என்னடா சொல்ற?